This is so dangerous. So dangerous. Okay, I forgot what bird this is. Sorry, but I'll look it up and put it in the description below. He just killed a squirrel for dinner. No, lunch. I don't know if it's oh, it's baby. I think it's baby. Because it still has the fluffy legs. Right? For the baby. Oh, I was just walking and if I walked by, he probably would hurt me with his sharp claws and beaky beak. Oh, so pretty. Yeah, I'm a weirdo. Like people are driving past him like it's nothing. But it's something. I don't know what it is, but it's something. And I have to get that video evidence. Take some pictures. Beautiful pictures. Lovely pictures. Oh, I know it sees me. Oh, oh. Good birdie, nice birdie. Well, I know it's not a bird, it's bird prey. Something. Good birdie, good birdie. I just want to get my meal too. I want to get food. My food on. I don't know. Nice birdie, sweet birdie. I'm not gonna bother you. I'm just gonna keep walking.